Hey guys, Mr. Wahidul Haque here, back with another video. Today I'm going to be showing you the new Android Auto system. So what you want to do is connect your phone with USB, but before that you want to update the Android Auto app. So you don't actually have to update this system, it's the app you update. And then you want to go to the app. What's it called? Alright, you go to the app, go to here, and then press you have to tick this on, try the new Android Auto. Now my phone's very low on battery, so I'm just quick charging it with my if you've not checked out my last video, go check it out. So with the Android Auto, you either need the original system or the, what do you call it, or you need the RCD 330 like mine. And yeah, just plug in your USB, make sure your phone's on. There you go, right way. Then it'll say that it's connecting, then your phone will change to it. Okay, press up. Now we're in the new Android Auto system, as you can see. So the voice thing still won't work because I don't have voice. Got notifications and shit. So that's all your notifications. Wait, that needs to go. Okay, so I've got a messenger message, so it comes up there. I can play the message, so it'll read it out to me. I can mute the conversation, and you can reply by voice, which is not, it's accurate, but it's not very accurate. Next thing is this camera is really poor with the lighting. Okay, so you got this thing here. So that in the corner will show you your last that'll show you your last what do you call it, your last used app, so you can quickly switch between it. Okay, then you got your app list. I really like this new app list because it looks a bit more like the Apple CarPlay, which is really nice. So I got Waze there, maps. Waze should work now because you have to open the app first and allow the permissions, and then it starts working. There you go. So that's working. There's a lot of Android Auto apps now as well, so that's really good. And then you can switch back to your last app. It's very instant. It's a lot more quicker than before, which I really like. And then I got VLC media player, but I'm not sure if that'll work. Should do. Yeah, it does. So I can watch videos on here now, which is pretty cool. That's the only reason I'd actually keep you on here. I can play music as well. That's pretty cool. So you can play music and videos on there, but the videos will only work when the car's stationary. And then you got your phone dialer there. So this is the new Android Auto. You can still go back to your old one. I really like this new system. And if you have Spotify playing and the maps open, on the other one it shows you there. It tells you the Spotify name and song, and then when you change the song, it'll come up at the top. This is the new Android Auto system. If you like it, let me know. I'll show you the old one. Should I? No, I'll leave the old one. You must have seen the old one already. So this is the new one. That's what you're here for. So yeah, enjoy it. I'll just make a nice thumbnail if I can. Alright guys, thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe to my channel. I'll see you guys next time. Goodbye.